upstairs in the fitness room or downstairs in the weight room, we have a huge selection of kettlebells, dumbbells, benches, boxes, you name it, for you to be able to lift weights safely and effectively. You can do a whole bunch of exercises with the dumbbells, from bicep curls to tricep exercises to shoulder presses, and even some really cool leg exercises such as goblet squats and step-ups. For the most part, we're going to do 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps depending on the exercise. If it's an isolation movement, so that's single joint, we're going to do more reps. If it's a compound movement, so multi-joint, such as a squat or a press, we're going to do slightly less reps. Guys, if you need more help, you want help with the workouts, with your programming, you want someone to help keep you accountable and hit your goals, make sure to hit us up for one-on-one coaching. Hit that link below or come talk to one of us coaches downstairs.